Good evening. So today we are going to start with Google Sites. Now you all are aware of different websites that are there, and we all want our own websites. Now let's suppose like Inner Wheel Club of Dombivli West does not have a website of its own, and you want to create a website for the Inner Wheel Club of Dombivli West. So how do we do that? So what we have to do is, first of all, here you can access it through the waffle, but because it is not used much, so you will have to go very down and click on more from Google. If you are using sites again and again, I do not use it much, so that's why I'm unable to see it here. So what I'll have to do is I will have to go down and click on more from Google and then access. The method is same, okay, but and like the easiest way here is like to go in the browser, type on sites dot google. So there are two ways: either you go on sites.google and click, or sites.google.com/new. This is a new change that has happened. So that is why either sites.google.com/new or
Okay.
Google or sites.google. That's it. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So now here we want to create our own new now there are no sites here. So I'll just share. I want to make a new site. So this is it. Where do we write the name? This is the name of the site.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So now this here, what do you want your site to be called? That is what you have to write there. Okay. So my WCDW. Suppose that is the name that I want to give to my site. Okay. Now so I have just given it this. Now you want to write a name to your site, so it has come here. This is what you want your site to be known as. Okay. So
Okay.
but we do not write
For
.com
example,
and
as
all.
we have like Facebook or what the name of the site, the actual name of the site, right?
Yeah, exact name of the site, whichever you
Okay.
want. Okay.
Okay.
Now the
So do
first
we
way.
have to give it the .com
No,
or
you do not have to give
no
any. No,
extension, no
no
extension?
extensions, nothing. You just give it a name that you want to give it.
Okay.
I'll show you my site also, which I've made on Google Sites, though I don't use it much. But
Okay.
yeah, so you've got the name. Okay, you can also add a logo if you want. Okay.
Okay.
Now let's suppose you want to give like the how we had different themes in slides. In the same way, we have different themes in sites also. So you can
Okay.
see how you want. Let's suppose I want to have this one impression. So this is it. Okay. Now if you want to change this, you can change this also. You can see. You can change to green. Let's keep it to red only. Okay. You can change the font style from here also. Okay.
Okay.
So I don't want capital. I want frank. Okay. Now here, when you change, you can choose the different fonts. So whichever font you want. Okay. Let's suppose we don't have. Okay. You want a normal. We want to keep it normal Arial. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And like either you can write home page here, or if you want to write the name of your club, so you can write that also. So we've got Inner Wheel Club of Dombivli West. Okay. Now you want to change the background color, so you can change that as well. So there are again options. Either you can upload. Now here you do not have the option of selecting an image from the browser. Okay. So either you can upload. So when you click on upload, you have all these options. Wherever you have in your computer or in your device, you can take it from there, or you can take an already made template. So there are templates that are there. So you can choose images. You can choose images from gallery, which is this. If you know the URL, then search. You can search also. You can search the Google also. your albums, Google Drive, anything. I would prefer to choose from the gallery itself. Okay, so let's suppose I have, we have multiple, like many options are available. There are 4 more. I want to choose this one.
Okay.
Insert. So you got the background. Now if you want to change the color of the font, I think white is good. But if you want to change the color of the font, you can do that as well. You can change the size, you can change the color. Okay, you want this, you can change it. So you'll have to mark it and change it. But I don't want it, it looks garish. So I'll just keep it to white.
That is good.
Yeah, so this is it. Now this is your home page, and here you want to write something about your club. So we click on text box, and you can write on whatever you want. So like whatever is the theme of the year, let's suppose, or you want to add something else, like if there's a motto of your club which you want to add, or like you want to add a service with friendship. So whatever you want to add, you can add it. Let's suppose we want to write service with friendship. So that is it. Now you think, like, okay, I have to place it in the center. So you can just place it into the center. You can change its font size, color, everything can be done. Okay. Now you think like there has to be that you did not want to add a logo here, but you think that the home page should have a big logo of the Innerwheel Club of Dombivli West, or maybe of Innerwheel. So you can insert an image as well. So you click on image, upload or select. So we have to select. Again it asks Google image search. Innerwheel logo. Now these are the different options that are there. Now you do not like any of them because they do not serve the purpose. So what do we do in that case? In that case, there's another option. What you can do is you can always browse for a logo, okay, download it, and then, so let's suppose I'll go for Innerwheel upon images. Now you have n number of logos to choose from. You choose one image, okay, you download it. So click here and you can click on save image as, so it will get saved. I have already done that. So
Okay, and then we can upload it from
yes,
there.
yeah. So I've already done that, so I'll do that for you. So insert image, upload. I had one, but I can't get. Or maybe I just checked and I did not do it. I'll quickly do that for you. I did not save it. So it's there, and now I go and I just go on images and upload. So got it. Now I want to place it in the center, so we can do that also. If you want to replace the image or anything, that can be done. You want to crop it all, so you have these options, or you can just drag it, you can place it in the center, or you can just yeah. So this is done. Now let's suppose now this is the home page. We are done with this. Maybe you can add more text boxes to add what is Inner Wheel Club of Dombivli West all about, what does it stand for, what do we do, and all those things. And then you have to have another page. Okay, so what do? We click on page, and you want a new page. So you click on plus. So you've got a new page. Now let's suppose we want to put members here. Members. Done. So first page is always the home page, the second page has automatically become members, and it has come here. Now you can add a text box and go on adding the numbers. You can insert a table if you want, so it's totally up to you. So you can add a text box and go on writing the names of the members, maybe president, secretary, and so on and so forth.
Okay.
Or anything, like whichever way you want. And like if you want to put their email IDs, or if you want to put their phone numbers, all that can be done. Now let's suppose I want another page where I want to list all the projects. So what do? Again I click on plus
Projects.
and I write projects.
Okay.
And it is done. So when the projects is done, now what I want to do is, I want to insert some images. So I can always insert some images, and and let's suppose there is a video that you want to insert, so you can insert a video as well. So let's suppose there is this plastic cap, and I'll just name it. So I have this video on YouTube which my students have made. So we have this video, and in select, so you've got it. You can always place it wherever you want, and this will also play. Okay, after publishing it will play.
Okay.
Yeah. Now another thing that you if you want to add your contact
It
number.
will be one doubt. Sorry to interrupt.
No worries. Tell me.
So if I have to go to home, I just have to click on the home button and then it will. So link is automatically working. You don't have to do anything.
Yeah.
Okay. That's what I want.
Okay. Now let's suppose you want to add contact to it. Okay, we wanted to add contact. So you can always add a little box यहाँ पे contact, and you can embed the link to it. So let's suppose I'll show it. I've done it in another one. So what you have to do is let's suppose I'll just show you how to embed a link.
Okay.
So you've got a little insert में you want to add a little text box. Let's suppose this is the text box, and you want to put contact, and you can minimize it. So you've got contact. Okay, now let's suppose we want to add this link, google.com search. Let's suppose this is the link that we want to embed.
Okay.
So contact, mark it, insert link,
Okay.
and then you put the link, whichever link you have,
Okay.
and then apply. So you see automatically an underline came under.
Contact, you go over there. Is that it?
Yeah. So now
Okay.
when you click on contact, see, you
Oh,
see
okay.
this?
Okay. Got
And when
it.
you click it, you can you will be able to access it. So
Oh,
when you
got
click
it.
it,
Got it. Got it.
this is the page, Google search.
Right.
Yeah, this is how we insert a link to your contact.
Great.
Now this is all that is there. Now if you want mention about your meetings and all, so you can insert embed the Google or like let's suppose there's an office, you want to show the map, so you can always embed the map also. So Google Map, you can just write like whatever is your address, you can enter the location and select, and you can show the map. Let's suppose you want to do it for your office or something, if there's any sheet, let's suppose like number of prizes that the club has won,
Right.
or another things, anything that you want to do, you can do all those things. You can also insert the calendar, the Google Calendar in it, and you can always put the dates for meetings in that itself, so the members can see, okay, next meeting is on this day
Okay.
and on this date. And if you want though, like, because if it is between the members only, then fine, but if you're making it public, in that case I would not advise, but otherwise you can put the time and link of the meeting as well, if you want,
Okay.
if it is between the members only. Now this, the website is done. Now how would everyone be able to see it? So first of all we have to click on publish.
Publish. Okay.
Yeah, so what is the web address now? So we just want it inner wheel. Okay, this is a great address, but it's already taken, so like they have already taken it, inner wheel. I think this is not taken, club of Dombivli West. Yeah, it is not taken. So when I click on publish, it's publishing. So it's got published. Now if you want to share it, there are two ways. Either you click on link and copy the link, okay, and you can paste it here. This is your website. Or what you can do is you can simply click on, but it will be the edit option. So this is without the edit option. So now you can see this is
Yeah.
these are your members, whoever are
Okay.
there.
Right. Yeah. Right.
These are
And the
your
project.
projects. Yeah,
Okay. Great.
and we had contact also. So when you scroll
Yeah.
down,
Yeah.
you have the contact. Now let's suppose you feel कि भाई only one admin should not be there. There should be
Mhm.
more people who can work together and make
Mhm.
it work and make it better, because there are many projects, many details and all. So you
Mhm.
can always bring people in for collaboration.
Okay. Okay.
So you can share it now. Also when you want to share this, you can decide whether you want everyone to like whether you want it to be published and seen by everyone, or you want it to limit to only inner wheel members or only the members of your club. So
Okay.
accordingly you can change the link. So you can change the settings, anyone with the link, or you want to editor rights, viewer rights. It is a public site right now,
Okay.
so you
Okay.
can always restrict it. So you
Okay.
restricted or anyone with the link
Okay.
and things like that. And there you saw that you can also change it for collaboration.
Okay. So only with the ones I have given permission can make changes to
Right,
the
right.
site, right?
Yeah, so if I specify certain people, let's suppose I write Rachna is there, and I've got Rachna Ganpule as a, because I know her and I have her ID. So then I want Mansi, she did not submit any assignment. So maybe I'll have to enter her whole email ID, and then
Mhm.
see it has come to editor.
Right.
Now
Okay.
if you are the editor, you can change it, but if
Okay.
I
Got it.
make you a published viewer, then you cannot change it.
Change it. I can just view it,
Yeah, so
right?
I'll just share it as an editor, and then maybe you can try doing it.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm just sending it to you. Check your email, and there you will get, click on it, and you will be able to edit something. So maybe you can add something to it, and that's it.
Just give me a minute.
Try adding a button to it if you think you can add a button, like the button would take you to some other page or things like that. You can insert a link or
Yeah.
anything that you want.
Okay. Just give me a minute.
Yeah, take your time.
Got the mail. I'm just doing it.
Yeah. Which page are you working on? You added a video or you added an image. Yeah. So this is the Innerweave project image.
Sorry, I was speaking and I didn't realize I've muted myself.
No
So
worries.
this is what I've done. Yeah.
So you can add. So multiple members can do
Yeah,
this,
right.
right?
They can do this, right? Yeah.
So this is all about Google Sites. I hope you all enjoyed this session,
Yes.
and you will take this learning forward. You will make use of it, and I'll
Definitely.
just quickly show you how I made my website using this. Uh, so this is my website. So I told you, like, there's this option of adding buttons, so and then you can add the link to the buttons, and when you click on those, then they will take you directly to your this.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll just take the link from here. So this is the website. You can contact. So when you contact, you go directly on the website. Redirected you to.
Okay.
You come to the website.
Okay.
Yeah, and like if you click on YouTube, it takes you to the channel directly.
Okay. Wow.
So I have not put all the only two. I was just testing how to do it.
Okay.
So it takes you to the blog. So if you
Okay.
click on this,
Okay.
so it opens this
Wow.
directly.
Wonderful.
So sites are is very helpful. You can
Yeah.
do a lot
Very,
with your,
very
yeah,
easy.
and
Yeah.
very easy. Actually, very easy to make. So I hope these sessions were useful to all of you, and I want you all to share. Like, please fill in the feedback form. So I'll just